If you want to check if your Google Pixel 10 Pro XL is unlocked, what you can do is you can open the settings on your phone. Now we're gonna scroll down and look for About Phone option. Now in here we're gonna scroll all the way down and you want to keep tapping on the build number, and we need to do that in order to enable developer options. After tapping on this build number several times, you will need to enter your screen lock password, or you will need to use biometrics. And once it is done, we need to go back to settings and open system settings. In system settings, you should be able to find developer options. And in here, we're gonna scroll down just a little bit actually in order to find OEM unlocking. So now if you can enable OEM unlocking, let me actually provide the password. There we go. So if you can enable OEM unlocking, this means that your Pixel 10 Pro XL is unlocked. If you cannot do that, it means that it is locked. And if you enable OEM unlocking, then remember to turn it off. It is definitely recommended to not have this option enabled. So once you check that out, turn it off, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.